Hey, this is Joe Hill from Done Right Management. Do a quick video tutorial. We're at Peace in the Pines and just kind of go over the operation of getting the actual wood stove working and operating in a way that this is kind of designed. So this is the Kuma K250. We have instructions on how this is supposed to go. So the main thing to start off with is to create a box of wood. So it's just stacked up. Have it lit, and when you start out, this is your primary burn post that you want to have pulled out, kind of max open from 20 to 30 minutes as you're going. And this right here up on the top right is the bypass, and so you want that open. So if you have the door opened, I don't know if you just saw that or not, but we had smoke that just came out a little bit. So this will open up the primary flue so that you have the smoke that raises through the chimney. And then once it starts to go, you want to have this closed. And as that's heated up, you can go ahead and close that up on top. You can control the actual burn rate from the lowest setting all the way up to the highest setting. So if you have this all the way open, which is not recommended, it'll allow your wood to burn down in a couple of hours, versus if you have it all the way closed, depending on how you actually have, how much wood you've actually put inside the stove, it'll go through and burn 10 to 13 hours or so. So you have it anywhere in between, depending on how much of a heat and intensity that you're looking for out of the stove. That should work. So take a look at the instructions. If you have any further questions or issues, you can reach out to us at Done Right Management. Number's 208-634-0030. Cheers.